These are the photo from souvenirs that you get after island hopping. Hey guys, this is Sandeep here and welcome back to my channel Wanderlust on Wheels. So, if you are in Langkawi, out of many other attractions, island hopping is a must-do activity. Now the question comes, what exactly is this island hopping? Let me brief you. So basically island hopping is a speedboat tour which will take you across couple of islands present in this beautiful green strait of Malacca Sea. We hire this private boat at a cost of 250 ringgit. However, not to worry, there are per head packages also available, but make sure to negotiate properly to get the best deal. Langkawi Island hopping is a half-day activity in which this boat will take you first to Dayang Buting Marble Geoforest Park, where there is a miraculous freshwater lake present in between this salty sea. You need to pay some extra ringgit to get an entry into this freshwater lake where you can enjoy swimming, boating and kayaking. The second activity is spotting and feeding the sea eagle, and the third and final destination is Beras Basa Island where you can swim along the coast followed by some snorkeling. Finally, let me alert you, this speedboat pulls a lot of wheelie while on the move, so hold back your seat tight and enjoy the rides. This one is a freshwater lake situated in the middle of this island. It's called as Pregnant Lady Island. But make sure there are a lot of steps to reach this lake. So decide before coming, as you need to pay a certain amount to cross that counter. So this is freshwater swimming in the middle of the island. Absolutely fresh, not at all salty. You throw this side. Eagle feeding.